Hi everyone, welcome. Just wanted to follow on from a short video we did recently that looks at this magnificent watch from a company called Rec that recycles items from really cool machinery. And this one has a bit of Spitfire fuselage from the Battle of Britain World War II fighter ace Pat Hughes's aircraft. Really deep history in this watch, and they actually do some really cool things. You can see the SR71, Blackbird, Ayrton Senna's Lotus, and Steve McQueen's bike there from The Great Escape. So if you're into this kind of stuff, they're a really good company to check out. We ordered this in October. It took about 2 months to arrive, and it was really well communicated. We knew where the item was, and it was exciting to get it after a couple of months. You can see here it's got a welcome card, and in this welcome card is some great stickers. We'll show you those in a second. From the SR71 Blackbird, they have the Senna Lotus and also the Spitfire at the back there. Really cool canvas bag that it arrives in, and inside the bag is a beautiful metal box there, well presented. It's got the Rec logo on the front, and it's a really beautifully presented package. Inside a box here with the Rec logo on it again. You can see that it's a pretty sturdy case here, and a foam cutout that you can access the watch. And at the top there is a booklet with all the documentation that you need for the watch. As we open it up, you can see that there's a cloth there you can use to lay the watch out so it doesn't damage the face and clean it. There's a metal card here that directs you to the user manuals. There's a QR code on the other side. And there's a couple of cardboard items here, the warranty card and a certificate of authenticity. You can see there the 1940 Mark I Spitfire X4009. Inside here is a leather case. As we swing it around, can have a look. In here is the watch. There's a couple of clips here we'll undo to show you. It arrives with plastic on it. Look at that. What a beautiful timepiece. Very cool. Very cool. And you can see here, and we'll get a better look, this one is the midnight blue, and on the side there's a bit of an homage there to the elliptical wing of the Spitfire, and on the other side is a plate with, you can see there, 355/877. So it's pretty unique, these watches. And on the back, the rotor on the back is in the shape of a Spitfire with the Rec logo underneath. And these little touches, to me, just make it a really special watch. The band is a leather band with a butterfly clasp on the back. And there in the center at the second face, you'll see the actual fuselage from Pat Hughes's Spitfire X4009. That's a better shot of it there. Stunning piece. Has a bit of weight to it. The componentry is all Swiss componentry, assembled in Denmark. Beautiful watch on the wrist. There are other variants. You can see here the Hunter Green watch and also the Anthra Grey. Beautiful watches. If you're interested, go check out the Rec website. Some really cool stuff there. What we will do is do another video on Pat Hughes. It's a great story, not very well known here in Australia, but some really interesting facts about a fighter ace of the Battle of Britain, and it's worthy of a video on its own. So we'll do that in the coming weeks. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below, if you like the watch or not, and we will do more on Pat Hughes soon. Thanks very much.